Yo, bingers, welcome back. Thanks for clicking. You saw the thumbnail, you know the thing. Today we're unboxing Doug Tenable, Earthworm Jim, Volume 2. And we'll be listening to some Before the Crows. There's your tracks. Don't know how far we'll get. It's beauty music, eh? Oh, let's check out. There's some artwork on the sides here. Cool, man. Alright, got our little grandpa knife here. This looks like Bigfoot Bill, yeah. Huh. It's a big box of stuff. Whoa. Put that away. Ha ha ha. Thank you! Show off your order by making a great unboxing video and post it with Earthworm Jim 2 unboxing in the title. Oh, alright! Thanks for the heads up. 8-page Evil comic, 24 Bigfoot Bill 3 comic, 4 different stickers, Evil the Cat cloth patch, and 9x12 black and white print. Cool! Should we, let's look at the main book first. Whoa! Great. Some other little artwork here on the box. Secret pictures, man. Great. Beauty song too, by the way. Now let's open this. Ooh, stickers. And I'll get back to stickers. Oh wow! I get another patch too. They call him evil. Bigfoot Bill 3 born twice. This is thick. Ha ha ha! There you go, man. Have a good one.